morning. It's currently November 8th. It's around 9:50 in the morning. Today I'm gonna be going to the gym, but we will have a special guest. Anyway, trying to be as productive as I can be. Currently holding these clothes that's been sitting here literally, I'm not gonna lie, like the past 2 days. Also, can't find a gym outfit. No choice but for me to go through this. Productive mom and all these clothes. All these clothes because I don't have a choice. Find me some cute gym clothes, alright? Follow me on my social media accounts. Get to know me. Let's try to get to know each other. Alright, so I found an outfit that I'm gonna wear to the gym. By the time I'm ready, Mariah should be here. Let's go to the gym. Right now I'm gonna do my hair outfit on if you guys want to see. Nike Pro biker shorts and then just sweatpants because it's literally raining outside. I don't know about you guys, when like the weather is down, I'm down, but we're not gonna be down today, right? We're gonna be going to the gym.
Wait, what's that? Is that a butterfly? It's me.
And with the noise, we need me some more like gym hairstyles and Hey, so currently in Mariah's car. She bought me a pre-workout. This is an ASMR. So crisp. Thanks for the funsies.
Jail clips inserted, a baby's being born, same time a man is murdered, the beginning and end. As far as rap go, it's only natural, I explain my plateau.
You're kidding. Little punk tries to throw me off a train, we get into a fight and he falls off. Cops ask me why I did a thing like that, I tell them why. For 3 hours I tell them why. They don't believe me.
Finished with the gym and now we're gonna go get protein shake. Got me with the scoop away. Jazel. Thank you. Pouring outside. Only for Jamba, I'll go in the rain. So we just got our protein drink. I got a butter mood with scoop of whey protein, and Mariah got some berry protein. This one is my go-to. Game's right here.
Oh, you got big ass.
Oh yeah, girl. So hard. I just reported a car accident right now. Oh no!
Called the cop or the police, made the report, so they're gonna send some people out.
It's really scary to witness, especially like.
And it's rain. It's very wet. The car like fly and hit. Bro.
You guys, I feel like I look like an Eskimo right now. I hate driving in the rain, but we gotta go get my baby. I'm about to be so How do I not have an umbrella? What kind of mom am I? We got rain juice, rain juice to the vlog. Hi to the vlog. Raining a lot right now, but we made it back to the car alive. What is up, you guys, and welcome back. I'm at Ralph's right now and I need to decide what I'm gonna eat for dinner today. Don't go to the store and not have a grocery list because then you end up buying like so many things you don't need. You guys, they have a Starbucks here, so thank the Lord. And I think today I'm gonna get a warm drink because it's been raining. All right, let's roll out. Starbucks right now. Starbucks? Yeah. No, you're gonna get cavities. No, mommy's getting coffee. Good morning. Oh, fancy medicine ball. Thank you. All right, thank you. Thank you. She's working. She's doing exactly what I'm supposed to be doing right now. Oh! Well, there goes my day. Oh my god. It was a freaking fail. We're not gonna talk about what just happened earlier because we're still gonna have a good day today. Tidying up right now and the girls are taking their bath. While I clean up and do that, I'm actually gonna go listen to a podcast and let's get into it. I didn't have ice, but it's alright. That's my cue. Chinese and Pansy Canton. And that's going to be the end of this vlog. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Ciao.